Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad with tuna. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to the package directions, usually for about 7 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta well and rinse it under cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the macaroni from sticking together, ensuring a perfect texture for our salad. Next, let's create the delicious creamy dressing that brings everything together. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This combination provides a tangy and rich base. Then, season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Now it's time to add the key ingredients that give our salad its fantastic flavor and texture. Take 2 5-ounce cans of albacore tuna, ensure they are well drained, and flake them into a large mixing bowl. Then, add 1/2 cup of finely diced celery for a refreshing crunch and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion for a subtle bite. These additions are crucial for a well-rounded salad. Finally, let's bring all these wonderful components together. Add the cooled, rinsed macaroni to the bowl with the tuna, celery, and red onion. Pour the creamy dressing you prepared over the entire mixture. Gently fold everything together until every piece of macaroni and every ingredient is thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl and chill the macaroni salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.